Okay, here we are, Sumas Mountain Regional Park. This is a whole new way. I've never been this way before, so we're doing something new. Okay, I'm looking at all trails, and this is sort of different. I don't know. Am I going the right way? It points to this way. All trails is telling me something different, man. I don't know. To be continued. Okay, we are not going with the trail that we saw, that big sign, Ancient Cedar Trail. We're gonna stick with the All Trails map and see where it takes us, man. Okay, we're here at the lake, and I mean, it was quick to get here, man, so let's check out some of these views. Oh, okay, so made it to the spot. Right when I get there, a fucking couple shows up, old couple, right at the same fucking moment. Right at the same moments. What are the chances, man? So I'm gonna do Sumas. This is the eastern lookout we're going to. Okay, we were down there. Now we're going up here. It's starting to get steep. Found myself a hiking stick. Let's go. All right, we made it. Forget the eastern viewpoint. This is called the Baker viewpoint. This is the real view, the real deal. Got lost, found my way to this, and this is worth it. It's a little smoky, but well worth it. Here we go, back to the lake, made it to the lake. Some people over there, so we're not skidding dipping this time. Let's do a plunge. Absolutely beautiful. It's warm. Warm. It's summertime. Back to the dip. I might go lead. That's it. That's the end of the hike. Man, it was fun. This was fun. You know, made it up to the Sumas, to the it's called Baker Rock. That's the view you want to go to, and it was gorgeous. Had some meditation. No one broke into my car here. That's always good. There's a brand new washroom over there. Either way, the dip in the lake was, you know, it's August, it's summer. Why the fuck not? And I'm gonna go to the river after this. Maybe I'll do some bonus footage at the river. But yeah, this is great. Excellent hike. I would come back here and maybe just go to the lake. I give it a 9 out of 10, almost a 10 out of 10. Why not 10 out of 10? Shit, maybe this is a 10 out of 10, man. It's an awesome hike. Adventures continue.